Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. All right, I have a project to do. This one. So this has been in my office forever, and it was my daughter's toothbrushing stool. So when your kids are little, everybody needs a stool so the kids can get up and brush their teeth and all that stuff. And I had painted this one when she was about 2 years old. This bright blue to match her bedroom and bathroom, and you can see it was spray painted. We're gonna give it an update and a new look, and it's gonna be for sale. It's gonna go away. I don't need it anymore. We don't need it. It's been sitting in here just gathering dust and things sitting on top of it. So I've just finished sanding another product, or another piece that I was working on. So there's sanding dust in the air. I might as well continue with the dustiness. And this is going to get a quick sand all over the whole thing, just with the 150 grit sandpaper. We're just roughing it up. I'm going to brush some colors on here. We're going to probably try that layering block. I haven't tried that yet, so I want to try that. But first things first, let's get some sandpaper on this. That was it, just roughing up the surface. That's it. That's all you have to do, because we're going to paint over the top of it. You know, I did a pretty good job on this for it being for me. I'll be honest, a lot of times if it's something for my house, I don't do as good a job as I probably should, but this paint was not coming off here. It didn't like easily come off. I did a good job on this piece. Back in the day, huh? Good times. So this is probably a 12-year-old paint job. And you can see it came off the edges. I had to kind of hit it real hard. But we're going to do a layered, shabby chic look on it. Shabby chic or just layered? Just a layered, distressed look. I think I'm going to use brighter colors and kind of do like the turquoise underneath, maybe a yellow on top of it. I've got that Granny's cornbread that I really like. Maybe a pink. And then white is the final layer. We'll see how that layering block works first. And if I even like it. I don't know. Never tried it. I don't know anything about it. It's a first for me. This is the layering block that I picked up at the Crafts Direct closing sale. It's been opened and retaped. So guessing somebody did not like it. I'm curious. I'm just curious. I want to get this out of here. Shut up. I literally paid them for a piece of wood with a handle on it. Y'all, save yourself some money and go just get a piece of wood with a handle. Here's your layering block. What a scam. I'm glad this thing cost me like 30 cents. Because, wow. Are we serious? It says get a plate and drag it across. I have wood here. I could just stick a handle on and do this. Are you kidding me? They were like charging real money for this, right? Drag block across the surface in multiple directions to create a more authentic look. Use little to no pressure when dragging the block, only gently skim the project surface. I'd be mad. I'd be mad if I were you. If you paid full price for this. That's why they returned it. They opened it up and went, really? It's a piece of wood with a handle? I can do that. I got that at home. I got wood. Oh, I can take this. This 75-cent piece. This could just be drug across. Yes, it's a layering block. Are you kidding me? Okay, we're gonna do it. I wouldn't buy it. I mean, I don't want to believe that manufacturers are just trying to scam us, but you know, it's starting to feel that way. This feels like a definite. This is, you know, just, by the way, I'm shaking up yellow. It says to put it in a paper plate. I didn't have one, so I put press and seal over a plastic plate. We're gonna make do. I'm not gonna go out and buy paper plates to make this work. I'm gonna dump a little paint into the plate here. And then I'm going to get you guys switched around so you can see what I'm doing. I have no idea what I'm doing. That should be the motto for this channel. I have no idea what I'm doing. I think that's better. It's kind of tough because you're up on top of the thing. So it says to just dip it in the paint and then drag it. With no pressure. Okay, here we go. I'm going to just set this underneath so I can get more paint when I need it. No pressure. In different directions. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay. More paint. I dump more paint. It's literally like suctioning down. It's not easy to drag. Okay. It's dripping. Okay. Just getting some on the sides here. Yeah. I don't see the point of this. And now I let that dry and regret all my life choices. Okay, this is a joke. This is a joke. I went ahead and I smoothed the paint out all over the top of the piece that I'm working on. And we're going to let that dry because I don't want this piece to look like trash. I am going to sell it, and I don't want to experiment with this anymore. This is a colossal FU to the painting community of this. This is like, there are so many better ways to get a layered look than this. And if you want to try this, do not pay. I looked it up. It's $10. This is $10. This cost me 80 cents because I got it on the clearance section at the store closing. But what? I thought it was only 30 cents. It was 80. It had a zero in it. But $10? F you. Go get a piece of wood out of your stash and try it if you want to try it. But this is not worth $10. This is a joke. This is a company trying to get as much out of us crafters. They're like, we've created a new technique. And I just watched the video. What a bunch of BS. This is a load of crap. This is something you do not need and should not buy. And there you go. This is why nobody sponsors my channel. This is why I planned on sponsoring the channel, because I'm not going to lie to you. That's just stupid. This is the stupidest thing I've ever tried in my entire life, and it's going in the trash. I have, I don't know, 30 or 40 videos on layering paint. There was a layered paint one where I went through all the techniques that I use, including the wax resist, all of that stuff. That costs you like nothing. If you have a candle, that costs you nothing. And you're going to get a more authentic look than this crap. I am very angry right now. I'm really upset by this. This is them trying to fleece us. It's like, oh, DIY and furniture painting is a thing, and they want this distressed look. What can we sell them? How do we scam them out of another $10? So we get all excited and we're like, oh, got to try it, right? So glad I did not pay $10 to try this. This makes me very angry. Just don't buy it. You get the same technique with dry brushing. Yeah, just dry brush it. Just dry brush around the edges. Get a little heavier here, get a little lighter there. It's stupid. I watched their video. I'm like, this is so unnecessary. Go to your shop or your husband's wood pile and grab a block of wood if you want to try it. Do not give them $10. Do not, in any way, shape, or form, give Plaid $10 for this. I'm going to wait for this to dry. And I'm going to go ahead and do my techniques, which are, tried and true, proven over years. Everyone knows how to do them. It doesn't cost me $10. And I'm just going to layer up some paint and distress it. But right now I have to fix what they broke. So I am smoothing out all the paint. Do better. To all the craft manufacturers, do better. This ain't it. And we're not stupid. And we're done with it. We're done paying for your stupidity. We're not going to lie. I'm not going to lie. I don't care what kind of influencers out there will lie for you. Your lies are going to get exposed. This is total BS. And I'm sick of it. I'm so sick of the economy being what it is. And you guys are like, hey, how can we scam you? I know. Let's put a handle on a wood block and call it a layering block. And everybody will love it. I don't know anybody that uses it. I'd never even heard of it. They had a lot left. And I'm guessing, this is stupid. This is a scam. Do not buy this. That's all I have for you guys today. I'm not even going to finish this on this video because this just needs to be a video by itself. Plaid, This is a scam. You know it. You know it. First of all, your chalk paint isn't great. It needs to have some pigment in it, so we don't even use that. Should have known that this would be a scam too. I'm just so angry at Plaid right now. I remember like crafting in the 90s and Plaid was a good brand. What are you doing? Like, who took over at Plaid that they're like, we don't care anymore. Let's just scam everybody. It's like, no. This is a scam. They know it. Deep down in their hearts, they freaking know they're fleecing you. This is stupid. Yeah. So thanks for watching. Happy junkin'. Don't buy it. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.